this is Wolves unloading the dishwasher. POV. Say hi to Kimes. Jesus, house is a mess. Anyway, unloading the dishwasher. Riveting. Exciting, you could say. You could say a lot about unloading the dishwasher, but I'm afraid I have very little to say on the matter. Here we can see the most fearsome predator in the house, the one known as Kimes. She heard me. Is currently observing the door. She's being closely guarded by her sibling, or step-sibling, Jax. Someone did not finish their food. I wonder who it is. Here we can see the bumbling idiot putting all of the glassware back into the shelf for the 4,558th time. Observe how he incorrectly grabs the glasses with one hand, leading to him having to put them down and then rearrange them into a proper order. Here he can be seen grabbing a whatever the this thing is. He then grabs the rest of the lids and then puts them in the drawer. Here we can see the whiny ones being whiny. Top row done. Into the bowls. Yay. Yo, if any of y'all needed, like, sounds of people putting up dishes, this is perfect for real. Putting up the dishes ASMR. Let the sounds of like chaos calm your nerves. Because here we can see. Let the noises soothe you. Ah yes, we need to put up the silverware, the most calming and relaxing part. That is a shit ton of forks. As we continue picking up the dishes, notice that this was a massive funny waste of time. You would be correct. Thank you for listening to my podcast, where I put up the dishes very slowly and be the most boring, funny human being imaginable. It's all for your entertainment. Bye. Ah, this is the most calming sound. Thank you for listening to my ASMR. Have a very nice day. Yeah, that's it done. I did it under 6 minutes too.